Hello everyone, today we're gonna see a comparison between Cash App versus Chime. Firstly, let's start with Cash App. Originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers, Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now moving on to Chime. Chime is more like a full-service online bank built for people who want a modern alternative to traditional banking. You get a spending account, a savings account, and a Chime Visa debit card. Chime also offers early direct deposit, no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and fee-free access over 60,000 ATMs. Chime is especially known for its automatic savings features and SpotMe, which lets you overdraft up to $200 without fees, based on your account history. You won't get investment or crypto features like on Cash App, but your goal is managing your income, savings, and everyday expenses. Chime is designed for that. So Cash App is perfect if you need a flexible app for payments, splitting bills, occasional investing, and some banking features. Then Chime is better if you're looking for a bank replacement with direct deposit, savings, and financial tools to manage your day-to-day money. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.